Today I will tell you about installation of Zoom client. Open Google Chrome. Now Google Chrome is opening. After the opening Google Chrome, write down zoom.us in the address box. After this, click on the resource tab, then download Zoom client. After this, Zoom client for meeting download. When you click on the download, you see the left bottom corner that downloading has been started. After the completion of downloading, click on the Zoom client. The installation process has been started. Let's take some time. Close the Google Chrome. After this, you see when the Zoom will install, then it will automatically open. You see here the Zoom will be open. Now you can click on join meeting. No need for any login, anything. Only here you write the host ID, which is given by the host. Here you type the name of the client. Now tick this box. Remember my name for future meetings. Then it will remember. Do not connect to audio, because when you take, then audio will not shown at the host. Don't turn off my video. If you tick, then video will not shown at host corner. Then click on join. You will see the enter meeting passcode, which given by the host. After typing the password, click join the meeting. You will see, please wait for the host to start this meeting. This is the recruiting meeting. When host is accept your meeting, then it will be automatically started. Thank you. Press subscribe button and bell icon for future videos.